Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryce, and in today's video, I wanted to share with everyone that Verizon is to roll out small cells to deepen Napa, California's cell phone coverage. So Napa, California is a very small city here in California that is about to get 24 Verizon cell phone small cells. So very great on Verizon's part. It just goes to show that, because Napa is only a small city with about 70,000 population. So it just goes to show that Verizon is expanding now into the small areas. They've already got the big major cities covered. So this gives us an idea that if you live in a small city or a small community, you're going to be seeing some Verizon small cells in your area very soon. Now, how soon that's going to be, I don't know. I plan on updating you guys around, the times that Verizon does happen to release a small cells. But, this is just very great news on Verizon's part. I can't say I was surprised. Verizon has been very quick to roll out small cells in areas. They've been sharing it with everyone every time they plan on releasing new small cells in new areas. And again, it's just great on Verizon's part that they're actually starting to roll this out fast enough to, improve, coverage and improve data speeds, release congestion on their network. So yeah, just shows you guys how great Verizon is and how fast they're rolling out these to where our cell phones should work when we need them. So just a small little video for you guys, nothing too important, but again, it just goes to show that Verizon's already practically done with the big major cities, and they're now starting to roll out in the small cities with these. So thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.